discussing about one of the most important Java topic, that is stream. And today I'll give an introduction of stream, how we can create a stream, and what are all intermediate operation it has, and how to what all terminal operation it has. We will be discussing those in our subsequent videos. In this video, I'll give a brief description of stream and what are key feature is present. That will be the topic today. So let's get started. So what is stream and when it get introduced? So it introduced in Java 8, and stream is basically, it allows us to do a parallel operation, or it's kind of a it helps us to do some pipeline kind of operation, right? So let's say some data is coming and we need to do some operation, we can do it like that, right? And it will give some output. So this is the flow. I'll be discussing that, but before that, let me tell you about the key features. So the stream is basically follows declarative approach. So what is declarative approach? It means that we just need to mention what we want to do, right? Rather than in imperative style, we used to mention like how we want to get that result, right? Like first, let's say for declarative approach, it says like I want name that start with A, but in imperative style, we mention like go through all the names one by one and then filter it, find all the names that start with A and then add it in a list or in a collection and then return that. So all these things are mentioned in the imperative style, but in declarative style we just mention what we want to do, right? So this is the one of the main feature of stream, and it also support parallel as well as sequential execution. So how the flow looks like, first, let's say we have certain collection of data. Now we need to create some stream, right? How to create it, we'll be discussing that in our next videos. So first we need to create a stream, so it will result a stream, and then we have certain operation, intermediate operation like sort, filter, right? So all these operations we can perform, and then it will also return a stream, and then terminal operation. So once terminal operation is executed, there will once terminal operation is added, there will not be any other operation can be added after that, because that is the end, right? And once the terminal operation is added, that means that is the end of the stream, and the stream will be closed after that, right? So once that is done, we'll get a different stream output, right? So this input stream and output stream is totally different stream, right? Okay. Now, intermediate operations are lazy operations. Like once terminal operation is added or executed, then only this operation. So once terminal operation is added, then only this operations get executed. Okay. So okay, let me give you one example how we can create a stream, and let me show you that. Okay, so let's say this is a list, right? So this is a list, and then we create a stream like this. So list.stream, it will create a stream, and then let's say remove this for now. Let's say we have this. So this is the terminal operation for each. Okay, so it will basically print all the names that is present there. Okay, now let's say I want to add some intermediate operation, right? So this is an intermediate operation, that is filter. So whenever there is a okay, we'll just return that. Okay, so basically we are filtering with A. Okay, now if I run it, it is returning A. So this is the way. So this is the final terminal operation. This is the intermediate operation. If we want to add anything after that, it is not possible, so it will give some error. Okay, so it is not possible to add any terminal operation, any other operation after the terminal operation. So this is the topic I had today. So in the next video, I'll be discussing about how to create a stream, what are the different ways to create a stream, and also like what are the intermediate operations we have that we can add, and what are all terminal operations we have. So if you like this video, please do share and subscribe to my channel, and also please do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get a notification once I upload next video. Thank you so much.